Check out this 2004 Chevrolet Colorado. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.